Hey there, I'm Ben. I'm a PA, which is similar to a doctor, and I share beginner tips about intermittent fasting. So today I'm going to tell you about chewing gum while fasting. Is it okay? Well, the short answer is it depends on the type of gum, and as always, it depends a little bit on your goals. So if you're fasting and you want to chew gum, well, first of all, don't chew gum with sugar. So sugar does break a fast. If it's more than the tiniest little bit of sugar, then yes, you broke your fast. You know, it's not okay to do that, to have sugar while you're fasting. But what about all this sugar-free gum that's out there? So there are different types of artificial sweeteners and natural sweeteners and this and that and the other, a bunch of different types of sugar-free gum. Well, the answer to that is it depends a little bit on your goals, but in general, it's fine to chew gum while you're fasting if you can tolerate it. And here's why. Because if you chew something that's sweet, if you consume anything sweet, it's often going to make you crave food and other sweet things and so forth. So if you're going to have all these cravings, it's going to be harder to fast. So if you feel okay and you're fasting and you're getting through it, then basically it's okay. Now, there is a little bit of a difference between different types of sweeteners and all that, but I won't get into all the details. Just to suffice it to say that most sugar-free gum has both aspartame or a similar artificial sweetener, as well as some sugar alcohols like sorbitol or xylitol. And those sugar alcohols can raise your blood sugar ever so slightly, but it's probably not enough to really matter while you're fasting. So that's the general idea. I have a blog post that goes into a lot more detail about this topic, so I'll go ahead and put a link there in case you want to dive in and really get into all the nitty-gritty. And I'm going to be sharing a bunch more videos about beginner tips for fasting, answering your questions, helping you get started with intermittent fasting in the easiest way possible, and so forth. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can see those in the future, and hit the like button if you found this useful or valuable in any way. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.